Think your home is already smart? Wait until you see what Google Home can actually do. It might just become the brain of your entire house. In the ever-evolving world of smart home technology, staying up to date with the latest advancements is not just a matter of convenience. It's a gateway to transforming how we live, work, and interact with our environment. For those seeking the ultimate upgrade to their high-tech lifestyle, Google Home has consistently been a frontrunner. But in 2025, Google has taken a bold leap forward, introducing a series of enhancements that may well redefine what we expect from a smart hub. Let's dive into the details of these recent updates and explore whether Google Home now stands as the definitive choice for adults who demand the very best in high-tech gadgets. Google's commitment to innovation is unmistakable in the June 2025 update to the Google Home app, which arrived in tandem with the debut of Android 16. This update isn't just incremental, it's transformative, introducing features that make the Smart Hub experience more intuitive, efficient, and powerful than ever before. Perhaps the most headline-grabbing improvement is the picture-in-picture (PIP) mode for Nest cameras. This feature allows users to view live security feeds in a small window on devices equipped with Google TV. Imagine monitoring your front door or backyard while watching your favorite show without any interruption. This seamless integration of entertainment and security reflects a new level of sophistication in smart home management, catering to adults who value both peace of mind and convenience. But Google didn't stop at visuals. Enhanced video playback controls now let users skip forward or backward by 10 seconds in security recordings. This simple yet highly practical addition means no more endlessly scrubbing through footage to find a crucial moment. Whether you're reviewing an unexpected late-night visitor or just checking on a package delivery, these controls streamline the process, making it faster and less frustrating. The integration of the Gemini AI model is another game-changer. With Gemini, users can search for specific security recordings using natural language commands. Instead of manually scrolling through hours of footage, you can simply ask, "Show me when the package was delivered last Tuesday," and the AI will locate the relevant clip. This leap in AI-powered convenience is a testament to Google's vision for a smarter, more responsive home ecosystem, saving users time and harnessing the power of cutting-edge machine learning. Security and device management have also seen notable improvements. The latest update eliminates the need for the separate Nest app to receive security alerts, consolidating everything into the Google Home app. Now, you can manage devices like Nest Protect directly, broadcast voice commands throughout your home more reliably, and receive immediate security notifications, all from a single, unified platform. This level of integration not only simplifies daily routines, but also enhances the overall sense of control and safety for users. Complementing these software advances, Google's hardware lineup has received timely upgrades and strategic pricing moves designed to make high-tech living more accessible. In August 2025, the Pixel tablet was spotlighted as a compelling alternative to the Nest Hub, offered at a reduced price of $279, down from $399. The Pixel tablet supports the Gemini model, delivering a more reliable and advanced assistant experience compared to the traditional Google Assistant. Its high-quality display serves multiple purposes: smart home controls, photo display, and occasional app use, making it a versatile hub for adults who appreciate both form and function. The Pixel tablet's user-friendly design and robust feature set position it as an excellent choice for those who want a single device to manage their smart home, interact with AI, and enjoy entertainment. It's a clear signal that Google is not only focusing on technological innovation, but also on delivering value and usability. Meanwhile, the Google TV Streamer 4K, launched in July 2025, emerges as both a streaming device and a smart home hub. Offered at a competitive $84 during Prime Day, this device packs a punch with 32 GB of built-in storage and support for Matter and Thread border router protocols. These protocols are crucial for ensuring broad compatibility with a wide array of smart home devices, making integration smoother than ever. A high-quality remote and subtle AI features further enhance the experience, allowing for effortless navigation and intelligent control over your connected environment. What does all this mean for adults seeking the best high-tech gadgets? The answer lies in the convergence of convenience, security, intelligence, and entertainment. Google Home's recent updates and accompanying device releases are not just about adding features. They're about creating a truly cohesive ecosystem that adapts to your lifestyle. Take security, for instance. With PIP mode, enhanced playback controls, and AI-driven search, monitoring your home is no longer a chore, but a seamless part of your daily routine. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or relaxing at home, you have instant access to crucial information and the peace of mind that comes with it. In terms of smart home management, the ability to control everything from a single app, without switching between multiple platforms, eliminates friction and empowers users. The direct integration of voice broadcasting, device management, and security alerts means you're always in sync with your home environment. Entertainment and utility are also front and center. The Pixel tablet and Google TV Streamer 4K deliver high-quality visual experiences while doubling as control centers for your smart home. Whether you're streaming a movie, displaying family photos, or managing lights and thermostats, these devices offer versatility without compromise. What sets Google apart in 2025 is its embrace of AI and interoperability. The Gemini model isn't just a buzzword. It's a practical, everyday tool that turns complex tasks into simple commands. Searching for specific security events, automating routines, and managing multiple devices with natural language all reflect a new standard in smart home intelligence. Moreover, Google's adoption of Matter and Thread protocols means your smart home devices, regardless of brand, can work together seamlessly. This future-proof approach ensures you're not locked into proprietary systems, but free to choose the best gadgets for your needs. For adults who value efficiency, security, and a touch of luxury, these developments position Google Home as more than just a smart hub. It's the ultimate gadget upgrade. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just beginning to explore smart home possibilities, the latest generation of Google's ecosystem offers something for everyone. In summary, the June 2025 updates to Google Home, the release of the Pixel tablet and Google TV Streamer 4K, and the integration of Gemini AI have reshaped what it means to live in a high-tech home. From intuitive controls and advanced security features to versatile entertainment options and robust interoperability, Google Home is at the forefront of smart living. If you're considering a smart hub for your high-tech lifestyle, the latest Google Home lineup stands out as a sophisticated, reliable, and future-ready choice. With continuous innovation and a clear focus on user experience, Google is setting new standards and making it easier than ever for adults to create a connected, intelligent, and enjoyable home environment. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.